Okay, I got this electric toothbrush. I just want to show you what's inside. It's like a drawer kit almost. And then it's got your instructions here, and it's got all the parts and pieces. So let's see. This one is, look at all those. Those are disposable toothbrush heads. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 of them. This is the charging cord and a base. And it's actually got 3M sticker here so that you can mount it to the wall, keep it off of your vanity. It's a safe space saver. So let's look at the actual toothbrush itself. Comes in a nice travel case, which is great. Keep your toothbrush clean in your suitcase. Then it opens up. I got pink. And here is this. It just goes on. And then you have on, off, and you have different modes. And then you have different, here's the modes here. It's polish, massage, gentle, clean, and whitening. And it has a charging indicator here. So, I don't know, it's hard to see, but like, so that's on whitening. That is clean. That is gentle. That is massage, and it's kind of going through like high, low, high, low, high, low. Oop. I'm trying to get it to go to polish. There we go. You have to kind of hit the bottom of it to toggle through the modes, the bottom or the top. So it might take you just a second to kind of get used to it, but you will. And also, I think you'll probably land on the mode that you like the best anyway, right? So I wouldn't worry too much about fiddliness. And it is, like, if you go on the bottom here, that's the USB-C charger. And you can actually charge it while it's in its base, which is really nice. So it's perfect for travel because it has this great case that fits in just so. And all these extra heads that are probably going to last you a year. It's awesome.